Juicing provides an easy way to consume more fruits and vegetables by extracting the juice from whole produce. If we remove the plant tissues, the resulting beverage is rife with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other beneficial phytochemicals. The proponents of juicing often claim that it improves mental clarity, boosts energy, assists with weight loss, and detoxifies the body. The 3 powerful health benefits of juicing are: 1. Provides recommended daily serving of fruits and vegetables. Juicing provides an easy way to increase your intake of fresh produce and try new varieties. You can fit quite a few plant foods into a single glass of juice, and it is the equivalent of eating a heaping bowl of fruit in one sitting. 2. Protects from chronic diseases. Eating plenty of colorful fruits and vegetables helps protect us from chronic diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. Juicing makes it easy to provide you with these nutrients. 3. Full of vitamins and nutrients. As juicing involves removing the majority of the insoluble fiber from the produce, what you are left with is essentially raw, liquid vegetables. Drinking juice means that your body can instantly absorb all of the drink's vitamins and nutrients. It's like taking your daily multivitamin, but in juice form. So start juicing and improve your health.